Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, lovely people. It has been 2 weeks, and you can't tell me this looks like 2 weeks. Look at this. Why is it curling up like that? It's coming out. No worries. I ain't even gotta worry about it. But it's the principle. We can get straight to it because itch. Itch. I don't know. Alright, y'all, this honestly was it. Just me taking in my Quickweave. Um, you see I didn't need no glue remover, nothing because of the strips. I'm not doing nothing else. I'll probably take this out probably a couple hours before my appointment. Remember I said I got it so pressed? Yeah, it's coming up. I need a trim bag, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, and we will go from there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Deuces.